Welcome, members. This is KOK Party Favors. I'm going to share with you a really small haul that I got from Shein today. The first thing in the haul is this beautiful blue rose bear. And I'm also going to be giving you the prices of these items as well. I always start purchasing bears way before Valentine's Day, because I use a lot of them during Valentine's Day and Mother's Day. So this little bear is a 9-inch bear, and it was $8.50. I normally find my bears for $5 to $6, but it was hard for me to find a blue bear, so I went ahead and paid extra for it. I got a design that I'm going to do with this. All right. So the next thing I have here are my butterflies. This is a set of the blue ones, and I love to put these in my Valentine and Mother's Day gifts. They add so much style and pizzazz to them. So there are a lot of metallic butterflies in different sizes, and you can take and fold the wings. Let me get a smaller one. You can take their perforated lines in the center of the butterfly. You just take and fold those little lines over, and you have the shape of a butterfly. Okay. So that set was, let's see. Okay, it was just 99 cents, and it's 12 different butterflies in here. And so I think the way they have it is 4 each size. Then they also come with the little glue dots as well. Okay, so if you want to stick it on a gift, it makes it easier for you to do so. You don't have to worry about, looking for extra glue dots. Everything comes ready to use. Okay, so let me get this back in the packet, and we will go on to the next one. I hope you guys are doing well. Again, I want to thank you for joining my channel membership. It means a lot to me. I'm going to do everything I can to help you guys with whatever you need, be it classes, party favors, digital art, whatever it is you need. Templates, let me know, and I'm going to make sure you're taken care of, okay? All right, guys, so the next thing I have are these straw covers, and they're pink and black. And they're 8 in a set, and it's $2.12 a set. Okay, so this one just has an image with an afro. I think that's really pretty. This one says Black Girl Magic. That one is pretty too, just a profile image. This one says Bad and Bougie. Okay, this is just one with a little hoodie on it. There's another profile with the afro. This one says Melanin Poppin'. And this one is Lady Blowing a Bubble. All right. So there's 8 straw covers. For $2.12, you cannot beat that. So I got 2 sets of those. I like to add, additional straw covers to my tumblers. I think it makes them look much better when you have really nice straw covers like that. Okay, so the next thing I have is some tumbler and coffee mug transfers. Okay, so I have... Let's see how many is in this set. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there are 8 transfers in a set, and each set was $2.31. So this set here is the beautiful butterflies, birds, and flowers. Look at how deep and beautiful those colors are. And I just happen to have some tumblers that are in the same beautiful shades of pink, blue, and green. So that is going to be absolutely beautiful when I put those on. Some really beautiful images. And they're really easy to transfer to your tumblers and coffee mugs. Really, really easy. I have a couple of videos where some lives that I did where I actually show how easy it is to apply these to your tumblers. Gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful spring colors. That one is gorgeous. Okay. So 8 of those for $2.31. You can't beat that. You can also add these to like little books, little journals, depending on what the surface is made of, but you can easily apply those to a flat surface. This here are the inspirational transfers here. And this one says, she who kneels before God can stand before anyone. That's beautiful. I love that purple in that. This one has the same saying on it, just a different image. This is just an image. This one is nice. It's really kind of hard to see some of the wording. It stand out better when it's on a colored background. But this one says, God designed me, created me, blessed me, healed me. Let's see if I can. Defends me, forgives me, and loves me. That's beautiful. This one is so light I can't even make out half the words. All I can see is I am the world, my God, his. So that's really going to have to be applied before you can see those words really good. They're really small. And this is one that I have a lot of transfers. It says, even in the midst of the storm, I see God working it out for me. I have a lot of these with that saying on it. This one is beautiful too. It has the afro and all the words of affirmation. Talented, smart, black, persistent. What else is on here? Remarkable, smart, really, really cute. And this one is pretty too. This one says, they whispered to her, you can't withstand the storm. She whispered back, I am the storm. That one is beautiful too. Okay, so there are 8 of those, and they were $2.31. All this is from Shein, guys. And I especially love to shop when they have the flash sales going on. You can find some really good items. Okay, now this is some more butterflies here. These are the pink ones, and they were just $1.07. These are pink metallic. These are really beautiful. You see the way the wings are made with the flowers? So this is going to be really, really nice come Mother's Day. Really, really pretty, guys. So this color was on sale. You know how they'll have an item and different colors are priced different. So they had the pink ones much cheaper than the other colors. These also have the glue dots with them as well. And what I like to do is a lot of my flower arrangements, I will put the butterflies on them. And it really, really comes out gorgeous, guys. All right, let's see what else I have here. Okay, these are some multicolor butterflies. I added these on, so I don't think I got a printout on the price of these butterflies. But it would be safe to say that they are the price of the blue ones. And let's see. Okay, 99 cents. Okay, it looks like all of them were right around there, right around 99 cents. It looked like the pink ones were a little bit more. They were $1.07. So the blue ones and these multicolors were the ones that were a cheaper price by a few pennies. These are holographic. This one has a lot of pink and yellow. You turn it a certain way, you see purple in there as well. This one is blue and pink. There's some purple in that as well. And they have also some smaller sizes. These are really cute too. And these are the smaller ones. And these are really, really cute. Okay, so let me get these put back up. And remember, guys, feel free to contact me. You can leave a message either at the bottom of any video, or you can email me. It's kokpartyfavors@yahoo.com. Okay, so I just changed that. I'm going to update it on my channel. There are no spaces. kokpartyfavors@yahoo.com, and you'll be able to reach me by email to get whatever you need. Okay. This, guys, I don't have the price on these pearls either. This is something that I also added to my order. This was an add-on, and for some reason they don't print it with the receipt, but it's just a pearl accent that I'm going to be using on a lot of my nice gifts for women. So I'll just be draping this little pearl string throughout the gift. And it's just one continuous string. You just cut it at whatever point you want to stop at and just drape it. Like I could drape it around this bear, or just drape it throughout the gift basket. Okay. But I'm almost positive this was not over $3. Because like I said, they had a really good flash sale. And this one was not expensive at all. Okay. Also, guys, I had another delivery from Shein arrive. And it's two of my, I ordered these little gel blaster little guns. They remind me of the Nerf guns. But as with Shein, they don't have any instructions in the box. So I'm going to go online and find some instructions. If I have to retype it, I'm going to print it out and put it in the gift so that they'll know how to operate it. It comes with 2 battery packs. You know, you can charge it with like the iPhone charger. You can use that to charge your battery. So it's a rechargeable battery. I'm glad that they put an extra battery pack in. These are the little gel beads. I'm going to order some more of these to go with the gift. But they're 7 to 8 millimeters in size, and it's 500. What you do is you put these little, they call them water absorbent bullets. Some companies call them gel bullets. And you put it in water, and it goes like maybe 10 times the size of the little pellet. And you take it, this screws on. You take the gel beads once they, increase in size. You put them in this little bottle, and then you take it, have your little gun upside down. You take it, and you have your little gel pellets in there, and you can shoot from there, okay? So it's a really cool little toy, and it was only, let me get the price here. But y'all know I'm going to have to play with that before, just to try it out. $11. And these are really, really expensive. I thought the design and everything was really nice. So that's why I got 2 of them. And that is it for my haul. I have some more items that should be coming this weekend, Monday for sure. And I will definitely get back online and share those with you guys. Email me, guys, and I will get back to you. All right, guys. Be safe. Enjoy your weekend. Love you guys. Bye-bye.